Hi guys, welcome to our new tutorial and today we're going to be learning about N-Factorials, how to work out a factorial of a number. However, this time we're going to be using something very complex and we're going to start using recursive algorithms. So now we're stepping up the complexity of our programs. Okay, so first of all we need to take an input from the user. So number equals int input, and we're going to say enter a value to be calculated. Okay, now we're going to start to write our functions. So def, I'm going to call my function calc factorial, and we're going to put in a parameter for n. So if n equals 0, then we return 1. So what does this mean? So if the number that the user inputted was 0, then we're going to return 1, because a factorial of 0 is 1. However, if the number that we're multiplying is 0, we're going to return 1. So hence, it's going to just return the number that you have been wanting to calculate. Else. And here is where our function uses recursive algorithms. First, we're going to say factorial equals n times cal factorial of n minus 1. So we're tilting our current number by the number minus 1. Now you can use a while loop for this, but what's challenging about this is that we're using recursive algorithms, so hence it's a little bit more complex. Now we return our value. Okay, now that we build a function, we just need to call it. So we're just going to print calc factorial of number, which is what we called here for the input. So if I now run it, so let's say we want to calculate factorial 5, which the expected result will be 120. Okay, if we run it again, enter value to be calculated, maybe we could do something a little bit bigger or something smaller. Let's just check another value. So 3 times 2 times 1 is 6, so this needs to be 6, and there you go. So our factorial, our n factorial using recursive algorithms, the code is very simple, very short. Now you can include this and try and make it a little bit more complex, but that is how to build an n factorial program without the need for a while loop using a recursive subroutine. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.